Hi and welcome again to the next part of our mobile app tutorial. So again, the Juander mobile app is available for both Android and Apple devices. This is one of the main components to the Juander platform, and it has a great potential and tools that you can provide for your learners. Okay, so we'll be continuing discussing the available settings for the mobile app and what you can do with it at, and in terms of providing additional value to your audience, to your learners. Okay, so let's go here. So the next thing that we're gonna look into is how you can set ads or pop-up images to your mobile app. Again, I'm mirroring the mobile app on my here on my right side of my screen, while the Wonder platform is on my left side using my browser. Okay, so the next part that we're going to explore is the ads or the pop-up image. Okay, so the pop-up image supports a square image with a size of 600 by 600 pixels. You can upload JPEG, PNG, or GIF, as well as video. So for the pop-up ad, in case you upload a smaller or bigger dimension, it will automatically resize to the square. However, cropping or some pixelation might appear. So it is recommended that you use our the template that we have. We will provide you with the template and use that to create your banner images. Okay, so you also have an option to link the pop-up image on an external website. So you just type the URL here, and then you can also change the color of the close button, and then the URL you can show it in the in-app or within the app. Aside from linking the pop-up to an external site, you also can link it to course category or categories if you like, something like this. Or you can also link it to specific course or courses. Okay, like that. So for now, let's let's refresh, and then so I will not save, so we still have the image here inserted. So for now, let's set it to link to a specific course, setting a positive mindset, and then have a red close button. Okay, so let's open the app on our phone. So hit the Wonder icon. Okay, so the pop-up image will appear after your splash page. So let's just go through the splash page and click the Let's Start. Okay, so as you can see, the pop-up ad image will appear here. Okay, so this is a good way, say you have some promotional with your promotional campaign for your boosting of your certain learning materials, so you can create a pop-up ad for that. Or say you have a someone or some organization sponsoring your particular content, so you can create a banner excuse me, so you can create a pop-up image for them, okay, and link to their website or to a specific landing page or to a specific course. So there's a lot of potential here using this pop-up ad. Okay, so let's try it. I'll tap this image, and then it will link me to the specific course that I have setting up a positive mindset. You see that? So in case for instance you have like a series that you want to promote, or a specific course category, so you can do that here, and then the user will be able to access that. So it's a way of highlighting certain content or certain website links that you like your users to visit. Okay, so that's the use of the pop-up ads. Another thing that we're going to explore is the floating. Okay, the floating image here. So let me just go back. This is, let me go to the home page. Let me just resize this. Okay, so as you can see, I have here a draggable image. So again, this is good to use for promotional. If you have like a course that you like to highlight, you can make a floating element like this one, and then let's see the settings that we can set for this. Okay, so for the floating, the supported dimension is 1000 by 1000 pixels. So again, it's a an image, a square image. So you can use JPEG, PNG, but we are suggesting to use an animated GIF. So to get more attention from the user. Like this one, we have like a moving head here. Okay. Again, the floating element, you can link it to specific course category or specific course. And then other settings will be, you can show this on different sections of your mobile app, like on the home page, on the library section, on the My Learning, on the profile, and other sections of the mobile app. So normally you show it on the home page. And then if you like to show a close button, so the user can just close it without clicking this floating element. So the practical scenario, if say you have a content that you really like the users or all users to watch. Let's try to link this floating element to specific course category. So let's link it to the business parent category. Okay, then set it on to have a green close button. Okay, let's hit save. Okay, and then we need to relaunch our app to see these changes. So let's just do that. We just close the app and then relaunch. Okay, so I skipped the splash page already, and then close this pop-up ad. Oh, sorry, we forgot to reattach. I save it and we forgot to reattach the animated GIF. So let's do that. Let's browse an animated GIF on our computer. Okay, so I think we have something here on my computer. So I created bunch of GIF. So say let's just use this one as an example. Okay, and then again hit the save button or save changes. Okay, so let's relaunch the app. Okay, skip the splash page and then close this pop-up ad. you can see the animated GIF that we just added. You can drag it anywhere. So it's attention grabbing. So if you want to highlight something like a content or a course or an announcement, or if you have some sponsors, you can launch paid or free advertising within your mobile app. Okay, so let's try to tap on this animated GIF, and it will land us on the library page. Okay, let me just move it a bit. Okay, it will land us on the library page with the courses that belongs to those course category that we have selected here on the settings page. So the business category have this of courses, so it shows. Okay, what if you want to just link this animated GIF to a specific course? So for example, say to introduction to e-learning. Hit save, and then let's relaunch the app. Let's try to open it again. Okay, let's close this again. Let's okay, there's just some delay between my mobile and the mirrored version. So again, let's tap on the animated GIF. Again, the changes we made is reflected. The animated GIF is now linked to the specific course that we have. So in this case, it's introduction to e-learning and LMS. So the user can just click that to see the course details, and then he can enroll or start learning or taking these learning materials or course. So that's the use of the floating element. Again, you can also add a schedule when the floating element will show on what specific date and time. So for example, you want to show it on July 5 to July 7, and then the starting time can be like in the 12 in the morning up to 11:59, something like this. So it will be scheduled on this particular date range. So again, it's a good way to launch your learning campaign. If you have learning campaigns within your team or your organization, or if you are accepting sponsored or sponsorship for specific company or organization that you like to show on your mobile app for your learners or audience to see, then this is an option for that is available to you. Okay, so again, thanks for watching, and then we'll proceed to the next set of tutorials for our mobile app. Thanks, see you on the next video.